A very happy morning to all of you. Today is day 10 of our remedial class, and we will do today parts of speech number 5. Yes, let's see these sentences. Tom is tall. Second is Tom is very tall. So which word we have added in this sentence? This is very. What is the role of this word in this sentence? This word very is describing the word tall, which is adjective. Here the word is describing adjective. The second sentence, Donald is walking. So Donald is walking slowly. Which word we have added? Slowly. Donald is noun, is helping verb, walking verb, and slowly. What is the role of slowly here? This word is describing walking. In what manner he walking? Slowly. So slowly is a word which describes here the verb. So these words which describes a verb or adjective, these are called adverbs. Today our topic is adverb. And adverbs answer the questions when, to what extent, or how much, where, in what manner, and how. Let's see this. Yes, here is the definition of adverb. An adverb is a word used to modify or describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Let's have some examples. She swims quickly. She is a pronoun, swims, verb, and here quickly. This word here describes or modifies swim, verb. Quickly here modifies the verb. She is an extremely quick swimmer. What is here? Swimmer is a noun. Quick swimmer. So quick is adjective, and which word modifies the adjective? Extremely. Extremely here modify the adjective, and quickly modifies verb. So here extremely is the word which modifies adjective. Next, she swims extremely quickly. She is here pronoun, swims verb, extremely quickly. So here extremely quickly is adverb, and extremely is also adverb. So here extremely modifies quickly. How much quickly? Extremely quickly. So quickly is adverb, and here extremely modifies another adverb. So adverb is a word used to modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Yes, some facts. To create adverbs, we normally add ly in adjectives. Here quick is adjective and we have added ly. So quickly is adverb, slow adjective, and slowly adverb. These are some examples. I speak English well. But well is a word, we don't add ly. I play tennis badly. This is to identify an adverb in a sentence. I play tennis badly. So badly is adverb. I do my homework correctly. Correctly is adverb. But sometimes some words are there, we don't add ly. Good is an adjective, well is an adverb. This is interesting fact. This is a good book. We don't say this is a well book. This is a good book. I read well. Here, let's understand adverbs in comparison of adjectives. We have already studied about adjectives, and you can see the similarities of their names: adjective, adverb. So these all two are modifiers. Adjectives are also modifiers, and adverbs are also modifiers. Adjective modifies noun or pronouns, but adverb modifies verb, adjectives, and another adverb. You can see here in this diagram. If we keep all these parts of speech in this sequence, then adjective modifies noun and pronoun, and adverb modifies adjective, verb, and adverb. And adjectives are original words, but adverbs are made by adding ly, but sometimes these are used as original words. Sometimes an adjective and an adverb can be one word, means one word can be adjective or adverb. He is walking slow. Here slow is adverb. He is a slow worker. Here slow is adjective. Yes, now we will do types of adverbs. There are specifically 6 types of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of number, interrogative adverb, and adverb of degree. Yes, first adverb of manner. See these sentences. Raman writes clearly. How Raman writes, or in what manner Raman writes clearly. Dev runs quickly. In what manner Dev runs quickly. The baby moves slowly. How the baby moves, or in what manner baby moves slowly. The soldiers fought bravely. How soldier fought bravely. So these words answer how or in what manner. So these are adverb of manner. An adverb of manner shows how or in what manner a work is done. Here clearly, quickly, slowly, bravely shows that in what manner an action is done. The second type is adverb of place. These are some examples. The manager lives here. Where the manager lives? Here. My uncle is out. Where my uncle is? Out. The car stops there. Where the car stops? There. Her dog follows her everywhere. Where her dog follows her? Everywhere. So here, out, there, everywhere. These words answer the question where. So these are adverb of place. Definition is: an adverb of place shows where or at what place an action is done. Here words here, there, outside, everywhere shows where the action is done. Now the third type, adverb of time. So we go to the temple daily. When we go to the temple? Daily. The school will open tomorrow. When the school will open? Tomorrow. Mr. Sharma will come today. When Mr. Sharma will come? Today. So these words daily, tomorrow, today answer the question when. So these type of words which answer the question when are adverb of time. Definition is: an adverb of time shows at what time or when an action is done. Examples: daily, already, today, tomorrow. We will have some another examples also in a moment. Adverb of number. Fourth type of adverb is adverb of number. So first example is: Neha frequently comes to my house. So adverb of number means how often Yeah, how many times? So how often Neha comes to my house? Frequently. He is always late. How often he is late? Or how many times he is late? He always late. Abhi seldom comes here. How often Abhi comes here? How many times? So Abhi seldom comes here. People often make mistakes. So here often. So these words frequently, always, seldom, often, these words answer the question how often or how many times, how frequently. These words are adverb of number. Definition is an adverb of number shows how frequently or how often an action is done. These words frequently, always, seldom, often, these shows in this sentence that how frequently or how often the action is done. Next type is interrogative adverb. So we have already studied interrogative these WH words as interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. Uh, Sometimes these are working interrogative pronouns and sometimes these work like interrogative adjective, but here these work as interrogative adverb. Let's see these examples. How old is he? Old here is adjective and how modifies this. So how here is working like adverb. So this is interrogative adverb. When did you come? Here when WH word is modifying the verb. So this is called adverb here. Why are you sad? Sad is adjective and why? Why are you sad? So why describes here adjective. Where will the soldiers fight? Where, it means place. So soldiers fight. Where? So here where modifies the verb fight. So WH words, when WH words act like adverbs, so these are interrogative adverb. Definition is an interrogative adverb is used to ask a question in a sentence. How, when, why, where, all WH words. Next is adverb of degree. We have already studied about degree in adjectives. So degree means simply to what extent or how much. Just see this: intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. These are degrees of adjectives. So intelligent, more intelligent. Here the word more is an adverb because it modifies the adjective. And most is also an adverb because it describes intelligent. How much intelligent? Most intelligent. How much intelligent? More intelligent. And another example, she is quite brave. Brave is adjective. So she is how much brave? Quite brave. So this word modifies brave. The water is extremely hot. How much hot? Extremely hot. So this word modifies hot. The bucket is nearly full. The bucket is how much full? Nearly full. So this word is modifying full. How much? So these words answer how much or to what extent. Definition is an adverb of degree shows how much or in what extent, to what degree a thing is done. For example, quite, extremely, nearly, almost, etc. So you can see all these types in this one picture. How means adverb of manner, quietly, easily, carefully, well, slowly, badly. When means adverb of time, now, today, later, yesterday, tomorrow. And sentences are given also. You can read and understand all these. Third is where. Where means adverb of place. Examples: here, there, inside, nearby, overseas. Next is how often. How often means adverb of numbers. Always, often, rarely, sometimes. Next is how much means adverb of degree. Very, extremely, entirely, too, enormously. So these are some extra examples with types of adverbs. Here interrogative adverb is not given. Next, degrees of comparison. You would remember that we have already studied degrees of comparison in adjectives. So because adverb have so much similarity with adjectives, here like adjectives, adverbs have also degrees of comparison. Three degrees of comparison, like this bravely. Bravely here is an adverb, so more bravely, most bravely. So more is also an adverb here which describes another adverb. Wisely, more wisely, most wisely. Sweetly, more sweetly, most sweetly. Gently, more gently, most gently. So the important thing is here degrees of comparison. Adjectives have degrees of comparison and adverbs also have degrees of comparison. Now the practice time. As you see in this picture, there are 10 sentences and you are to pick out the adverb and write the type of adverb. For example, in first sentence, where did she go? What is adverb here? Where. It defines go. So this is interrogative adverb. So like this, you are to do this practice. Next, these are some adjectives and you are to make adverbs with these adjectives. So thank you and have a nice learning.